Welcome back to Review Mobile, your go-to channel for honest and straightforward smartphone insights. Today, we're diving into the Infinix Note 30 Pro, a budget-friendly device that's creating a buzz for offering premium features at an accessible price. Let's explore whether it truly lives up to the hype. Design and display. The Infinix Note 30 Pro features a sleek glass back with a shimmering finish, giving it a premium feel rarely seen in this price range. Its 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate delivers smooth visuals and vibrant colors, making it ideal for gaming, video streaming, and everyday scrolling. Performance and software. Powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 processor and paired with 8 GB of RAM, expandable virtually, the Note 30 Pro handles multitasking well. It runs on XOS based on Android 13, offering a customizable interface, although it comes with some pre-installed bloatware that might require cleanup for a smoother experience. Camera system. The phone is equipped with a 108 megapixels main camera that captures impressive detail in daylight conditions. The dynamic range and color accuracy are solid, though low-light performance is just average. The 32 megapixels front-facing camera does a decent job with selfies, backed by AI enhancements for skin tone correction and lighting. Battery and charging. A standout feature is the 5000 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day with moderate use. More impressively, the Note 30 Pro supports 68W fast charging, topping up the battery in just under an hour. It also supports wireless charging, a rare feature in this segment. Final verdict. The Infinix Note 30 Pro is a strong contender in the mid-range market, delivering standout features like a high-refresh AMOLED display, fast charging, and a capable camera setup. While software polish and low-light photography could use improvement, it's an excellent value overall. Thanks for watching Review Mobile. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews.